Welcome to this wonderful platform. If it is your first time of stopping by or coming across this channel for the first time, you are welcome. Please, if you like what you see here, after watching, subscribe, put on your notification bell. It's very important because it's going to help you to know when I upload a new video. In this channel, I present to you news on daily basis on what is happening in the whole world, especially in Nigeria and in Biafra land. Yes, I'm Mother Biafra. I bring to you Biafra news. So before I do that, what I always do is that I analyze it and I sit down there to watch the video together with you. Then we'll come to the comment section to talk about it. Of course, everybody is entitled to his or her opinion. That is why the comment section is there for you to contribute, leave your ideas, your thoughts, your belief about the videos that you have watched. Please, as we are doing this, let us do it constructively. As we hop into today's video, remain blessed. I appreciate all of you. I appreciate your massive support in this channel.
So, I'm talking about the leaders, especially those leaders in Biafra land. I want to make one serious warning to all these senior people, the fathers, some of our fathers that we think they are our fathers and they are not. Those ones who have taken position of elders of the village or chief or whatever. I'm coming here to give you people a very serious warning. As I'm not always saying here, I said one thing. Good morning, my brother. I said one thing here that if you don't have anything to say about Biafra, nobody would force you to say anything about Biafra. But you cannot continue to stay in our land. You cannot continue to stay in our Biafra land, especially from River Niger down to Cross River State. From River Niger down to Cross River State, especially from River Niger to Cross River State, especially from Anambra State to Cross River State, Akwa Ibom State. You cannot continue to stay in our land and become our enemy. For those of today is a first and last. And if you think it's lie, you have to try this thing, what I'm going to tell you today. If you think this is not just IPOP or they give orders or you go and blame somebody, is this person that is giving order. I'm telling you today that if you don't stop what you are doing today, from today, you will see exactly what you would look for. Because the turntable will turn to your own side. Because what I'm saying here, if you don't have anything to say, if you don't have any word to say about IPOP, you don't get any good thing to talk about the Biafra. If you don't get anything to talk about Biafra, my dear, shut up your mouth and sit down in your house. If all this BBC Igbo come to make sure say they force you to say anything where you know say e no go support Biafra, e no go support our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you have to shut up your mouth. I'm telling you, shut up your mouth. Because if you don't shut up your mouth from this moment, anybody where go there, the land of Igbo, the land of Cross River State, the land of Calabar, talk anything nonsense against IPOP or against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you are going to see it immediately. After you finish, if that your message circulate for social media, if that your very message circulate for social media before 1 hour or before 24 hours, before 24 hours in a day, I tell you and I promise you, you will see what will happen to you. Anybody from, I'm telling you, from river, Onitsha Head Bridge down to Cross River State, down to Akwa Ibom State, These very people, this very place, I'm telling you that from this moment as I'm talking right now, if you are still there in Biafra land, condemning our leader, condemning Biafra, telling that our leader is good like the way they catch him, you kneel down or you started saying anything on BBC Igbo or any platform that they come to you, say, okay, what do you see about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, or what do you see about IPOB? If you open your dirty, smelly mouth and condemn our people again, because let me tell you something, you will see it immediately. I tell you, before 7 days, I'm telling you, before 7 days, you will see your results. You will see your result. And if you know your son or your daughter is still in this group, I'm not talking about any other person from another state. I'm telling you, from Anambra State down to Cross River State. From Anambra State down to Cross River State. From this moment, we place one thing. We said anybody that will stay in the land of Biafra, speak against Biafra. Because you're supposed to know the atrocity where they happen. You're supposed to see the thing. So since you decided to join these people, so we want to know exactly, because you cannot let us know the people we are fighting. Yes, if we are fighting Fulani, we have to know that we are fighting Fulani. This one that we are fighting left and right, you want to put confusion. So we will suspend some people and start for somewhere from this moment. So if you know what good for you, if you know what good for you, I'm telling you, if you know what good for you, whether you achieve whatever position you hold in from Onitsha down to Cross River State, Akwa Ibom State, we are giving this order. It's not order, it's a promise, and it's not a promise and fail, it will happen. If you know that BBC will come to you to get some word from you, that or you want to speak, so that the Fulani leaders would say, okay, this chief is somebody, or this governor. So from this moment, if you don't have anything to say, from this very moment, if you don't have anything to say, I'm telling you today, you shut up your mouth. Because if you don't shut up your mouth, from this moment go, you stand up to kick against Biafra. The Biafra, you know, as Biafra is coming now, because the Biafra is here, as he's coming, you will be, you chief, you Eze, you Obong. Now you go first of all say, okay, you want my land is here, this is my village land, this and that. You will now, you go first of all go dey claim land. So when you go sell for the federal government of Biafra, now you go first of all come out. So if you don't have anything to say against Biafra, my dear, shut up your smelling dirty mouth. I don't care to know who you are, whether you are a king or whatever you be, because you know reserve it. If you be king, if you be Eze, I'm talking to you straight ahead. Shut up your dirty smelling mouth. Because you could have learned lesson from Oduduwa Republic. You see the way they achieve, you see the way their people come out for their people, but you stay there to condemn our people. This time, I'm telling you today, just mark it, please. I know they tell people share my video. Today you have to share this video to reach everybody in the land of Biafra. I'm not talking about any place. I'm talking about from Anambra State down to Cross River State or Akwa Ibom State. If you don't have anything to say, we don't force you to talk anything. But to stay in Biafra land and condemn Biafra, we would never tolerate that nonsense again. To stay in Biafra land and condemn Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for his great job, we will never tolerate that nonsense again. We will never wait for the order again. We will never wait for the order. We are going to take this order by ourselves. We are going to take our good morning. We are going to take this thing by ourselves. You can never stay in Biafra land from this moment. Condemn Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and condemn Biafra, condemn IPOB. We can never, I will never tolerate that nonsense again. We will never tolerate that nonsense again. And BBC Igbo, all the workers in BBC Igbo, biko unu nukoloku neku. Don't force somebody to say what you know. Don't force somebody to say anything. Unu ga-akwụsịkwa this nonsense. Unu ga-akwụsịkwa this nonsense. Unu ga-akwụsịkwa this fake information. Unu ga-akwụsịkwa ya. Ejikwa aha Chineke were rie unu. Ejikwa aha Chineke were rie unu. Yes, you people are looking for your daily bread, but you cannot use your own to spoil our. You cannot use your own blues to spoil our own. If you don't have anything to ask somebody, even when you ask somebody something and the person say nonsense thing, you have to cut that video. You have to stop that video. You have to delete that video. Stop spoiling our land. Stop spoiling our land. This is the time that the world is paying attention in our land, especially. The world is paying attention in our land to know how we love ourselves, to know how we go take control our life, to know whether we can be able to control, whether we get love, whether everybody in Biafra land want Biafra. This is the time. So anybody that will stand up and say no, because now the world, everybody is listening. Everybody is going to their social media to listen. The world, the international community, everybody is listening. Now, a one word for a Biafra can spoil many things. A one stupid word for a Biafra, one stupid word for a Biafra can spoil many things. So we are not going to tolerate that nonsense anymore from this moment. Isikwa ya nashi gimeye. Idego for other getting so. Idego for other getting kesa mintengegando so or tempo ninwa. If you go for all again so or can so can put in one the other can go Biafra and use the whole soldier in this Nigeria guide yourself. And you when we say your son or your brother they talk nonsense for social media against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, against IPOB, against Biafra, you sit down there and you keep quiet. Your brother, they come out, they talk nonsense against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, somebody you know that is facing very thorough punishment with the Nigeria soldiers, Nigeria the government. They are giving him punishment that we never know how he's going to come out. We never know how he head be there. Then you go there, your son or your daughter is kicking against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. For Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not asking for make them come develop a village. He's asking for everybody. So nobody is forcing you to come outside and talk. Nobody is forcing you. Nobody is telling you. Nobody is forcing you to do any nonsense. Nobody is telling you that come and do this and that. But what I'm telling you this moment is that any nonsense from this moment, I'm telling you, any nonsense of this moment, from this moment, I don't care to know. He will give you anything. The God of our land will strike you to death. Go kill you. From this moment, I'm telling you from this moment. Because we can no longer face this battle. Because tomorrow when Biafra come, you so call on yourself chief and whatever, those stupid chief in Biafra land will come out. Those licensed chief like dog, those people that they give license like dog. It's only dog or police now police dog now they give license. Now they put license. You come out tomorrow now when the Biafra come, you come out. Then you go ineku haiwu ndị Igbo nka. Everybody will come at Biafra. We are Biafra. But now that people are fighting, you are there. So you better tell your father, because the rain will go fall meet your father. I'm telling you one thing. From this moment, anya cho anything. Anya force kolonyo obuna kuoku. Anya sikolonyo obuna bia yera anyaka. The God Almighty would fight for us. But the fight that we would fight, we will fight it direct. We are no longer tolerate this nonsense. How can you be an Igbo man? How can you be an Calabar man, Ibibio man, Efik man? How can you be this tribe, this Biafra tribe? How can you stay in Biafra land and kick against? Do you like what the people are doing? acting your movie, concentrate and act your movie. Because more time now, this the same Biafra story, you are going to use it for your movie. So if you are acting your movie, face your movie and act your movie. Then if you are a preacher, if you don't know what to preach, face your preaching and face your preaching. If you are a musician, you don't know, just face your own. If you don't want to fight for Biafra, because I know that during the time of South Africa, Lucky Dube took it upon himself, become a singer, sing freedom. All over his life, he sing freedom. But our people, we are not blaming them. There's everybody have his own dream. Do your dream and face your dream. Face your reality. Our people now, as a musician, now they are singing about nyash and breast and everything. They forget about that. Those are our big stars. That they have rights. They have the movement, they have the authority to speak against this thing, to sing against this thing. No, everybody refuse. Nobody's telling you. But let me tell you, if you are an actor, if you are a musician, if you are a chief, whatever you belong to, I don't care to know. But what I'm telling you now, please, everybody should face in own lane. Since you don't need Biafra. Since you don't need Biafra, you don't need IPOP, you are praying for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to end up there, please face your own. Don't come to social media. Because when you come to social media, my brother, my sister, you pronounce, and you there Alibo, you are still in Biafra land. You speak it. Stay outside the talk. If you go stay Abuja, go stay North, go stay Kanu, they talk. That is what is going to good for you. If you stay Kanu, stay Abuja, the talk is good. If you stay Kanu or you stay Abuja, stay anywhere the talk is good. Go to the northern side and stay and talk. Go and stay with your father and your mother.
Always watching Linda's TV show. I will see you again in my next video. Remain blessed. I appreciate each and every one of you, and keep on watching Linda's TV show. If you have not yet subscribed, please, I beg you to do that so that you'll be getting more updates from me. Bye bye.